Alright, today we're gonna be soldering. It will turn into a lamp with like a picture of an astronaut on the moon like this. And it's just gonna hold it and it can illuminate it from the back. It'll just be a nice little lamp. We'll use this PCB to solder it with this solder. And we will use these helping hands to hold it together, hold the PCB, and I will show a time lapse of everything that's gonna happen until the finished product has been shown. And to power it after, we'll use these with this wire, some tools I'd be using, screwdriver, a small screwdriver, even tinier one, clamp, I think another clamp, and I have instructions over here. I used another helping hands to hold it. Okay, and just masks because I don't want to get lead poisoned. And we will starting this entire bag of components. I have previously soldered in another video this car. It didn't work properly because the gear and the point of like where the motor touches didn't really like touch each other, so it wouldn't like can actually go. Alright, so that part, the time lapse. Enjoy.